Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to create a hand slide transition in CapCut. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, let's drag the two pieces of media that I want to create the transition on. As you can see, when you play it, it automatically just skips. This is called a hard cut into the next clip. However, let's make it a little more fun. So come to the start of the second clip we want to transition into. Come to the right hand side, select video, then mask. Then we want the rectangle mask. Let's make it square like this, then drag it off screen. Then let's add a keyframe here in the top right hand corner. Then let's play the video on slightly. Then open up the mask to the other side. The keyframe should automatically be added once you let go of the mouse. Once you've done that, let's bring our hand image here. This is just a simple image that I found online. Then let's come again back to the start of the transition. Let's make the hand how we wish. Then come to the right hand side, video basic, position and size, and add a keyframe. So this is the start of where we want the transition to begin. Play the video on. Now highlight the second clip and bring it to the position of the second keyframe. Move the hand so it's off the screen. And when we play it, you can see the hand moves across with the transition. However, if we move it to around here, you can see the finger just isn't correct. So we can then highlight the hand clip and we can adjust the position and the keyframe will automatically be added. And you can just move it along slightly and then keep readjusting the hand as you wish. And then it'll always stay on that line as if it's pulling the clip across. So now if we watch that, much better. So that's how to create a hand slide transition in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.